Harmony created by you, transformed by AI. Your voices, your sounds became visual poetry, setting the perfect tone. Human creativity amplified by machine intelligence. Then Sandeep's keynote reinforced this beautifully, showing us that AI's impact extends far beyond traditional enterprise use cases. And we saw this come alive with Infosys, who made history as the digital innovation partner for the Australian Open and Roland Garros. Then G2 showed us what makes AI agents a game changer. Number one, anyone can build. And two, building is fast. Yours now take weeks. The message, AWS is enabling us to build at the speed of an idea. Then I heard from leading Indian banks. Axis Bank explained how data and Agentic AI are redefining banking, while Kotak Mahindra Bank shared their journey of leveraging AWS to build homegrown data and AI platforms designed for scale. It was a proud moment to witness Zomato's transformation from 2 servers in 2008 to going all in on AWS. And today, they are revolutionizing customer experience with AI and building India's largest conversational AI platform, serving crores across 800 plus cities. And then the celebrated author Anand Neelakantan discussed how AI collides with ancient tales 70,000 years ago, retelling Indian mythology for modern readers, and I thought, innovation truly is timeless. And with that foundation set, I ventured into the customer showcase zone, and honestly, it caught me off guard. I experienced technologies transforming daily life. From Neosapiens AI-powered wearables, almost like your second brain, to Appliance.ai, which is a lifesaver, 750 plus recipes. It's like my sous chef. I just follow along, and voila, delicious food. This one is going home with IRM. And did you guys see Ultra Human? The ring air tracks your sleep, recovery and movement. Everything right from your finger. So sleek, so smart. I wish this had been around during my wedding, out of what a his and her said back then. But guess what? There is a chance to win one today. So keep your fingers crossed. For enterprises too, on one side, I saw Nugget by Zomato's AI-powered customer support platform that autonomously handles 80% of queries for their operations. And on the other hand, Tata Alexis showcasing their drone delivery systems, which will help logistic partners for last mile delivery. This wasn't experimentation. This was execution happening right before my eyes. And then I walked into the India Moves of the AWS zone, and boy did it live up to its name. So buckle up as we were about to take off. I checked out Akasa Air, who are reimagining the Indian skies. Aviation completely redefined. And of course, who hasn't used DigiYatra? I know IRM Biswar really appreciates it as a frequent traveler, and with facial recognition and biometric, boarding 77 million passengers are moving seamlessly across 24 airports. This is truly building for Bharat. And then I went and checked out Hero, who are transforming city mobility with smart electric bikes that are shared, that are sustainable, and seamlessly navigate congestion. And did you see the Street View Recorder from Naples, Map My India? They are creating India-specific digital maps and building location-based services, truly mapping India's future. And then this very cool plane company, developing electrical vertical takeoff and landing aircrafts for urban air mobility, the near future of air ambulances, and the beautiful ultraviolet X47 crossover blew my mind. Everyone's dream machine, stylish, it's powerful, safe, and the world's first motorcycle with integrated radar technology. And of course, the OG brands. Seat, integrating AI across manufacturing, supply chain, and customer service. And Mahindra's 2 spanking new electric SUVs. Did you know that their advanced driver assistance processes 51 trillion operations per second? Amazing. And all these aren't just logos of our customers. They're writing the next chapter of India's story, one innovation at a time. India actually does move on AWS. And if there was one place I wanted to stay longer, it was the AWS AI Hub, the art of possible. Arya blew my mind. Sign language translating into real-time speech instantly, making AI a force for inclusion, and the virtual holographic concierge was next level. It felt so real, I almost forgot I was talking to AI. And the AI video studio, insane. Text prompts transforming into broadcast quality videos with emotion authentic audio and multilingual lip sync. Just type what you want and boom, professional video ready. Across 20 demos, I saw AI come alive. Not as slides or theory, but as real solution answering one question. How does this make life, business, or society better? And then, while you all took a lunch break, add some major FOMO for delicious food. Man, I wish I could taste that ice cream. But moving on. Today we also have the AI workshop, Autonomous Ops with Agentic AI, where 200 plus builders and I rolled up our sleeves configuring, testing, and experiencing the future of DevOps. And then there were 8 AWS partner booths showcasing AI solutions, making customer experiences more beneficial and interactive. I couldn't even get close to catch a demo. There was so mobbed with attendees. And of course, I couldn't possibly miss the giant bus at the entrance. Reddington, in collaboration with AWS, bringing cloud technologies closer to our customers. This bus will now go to 15 cities in the next 2 months, bringing solutions across AI, Gen AI, marketplace, and industry workloads for our customers there. Wait. Did I mention that our partner Shellcode is giving away an ultra-violet bike, and our partner Lumik is giving away an Uplions.ai. And better get your lucky stars aligned today. So now next, the Startup Central. I was straight up shook. We had startups like E6 Data, Quick Work Technology, and High Performer AI. And we also had some seriously interesting demos. Into Infra, where developers reproductive time as documentation updates automatically with every code change. And those where financial decisions accelerate through natural voice conversations. And Zero Touch Ops, where cloud incidents resolve in seconds. Infrastructure that actually heals itself. AWS is definitely the home of startups in India. But beyond the buzz, I dove into the depth. 20 plus technical sessions across 4 parallel tracks. The good thing about being in AI alter ego, I can be in multiple places simultaneously. In the technology track, I explored enterprise AI from foundational data architecture to production-grade agentic systems, from Postman, from Innovasa, from EXL, Extractor.ai, and Alice Global. And in the business track, I learned about deploying AI on an enterprise scale, from Motilal Oswal, from Novus High-Tech, Pocket FM, from delivery, and from DevRev. And in the developer track, I discovered how to build modern, scalable applications from commercial IQ and Kodak. Finally, in the data and AI track, I witnessed customer transformations from J&K Bank, from Swiggy, Freshwork, Paytm, DMI Finance, Razor Group, and Tata Elxsi, and all of this truly inspired. And through it all, one theme resonated. Empower tomorrow with agentic AI and data. Not replacing humans, but amplifying them. Not complexity, but clarity. Not hype, but outcomes. And echoing what Sandeep said this morning, all of it built in India, for India, and for the rest of the world. AI Biswa?